Hey guys, Dirk here, Freedom Lifestyles Academy. You're here because you're searching for a phone verification service, how to get an SMS code if you need to verify actually any kind of system. You have this with Instagram, with Facebook, with almost all these social media platforms, and even WhatsApp and things like that. Where do you get a phone number or get a phone verification service that will get you that SMS code when you need it? And most of the times, especially if you run multiple Instagram accounts or multiple social media platforms, you can use your phone number only once. So you cannot do that over and over again. So where can you go to get unlimited phone numbers? Let me walk you through this here. This is a phone verification services I've been using for a long time. And if you click the link below this video, you'll get redirected to this service immediately. And you can create a free account. You will be logging in. You will arrive here probably. Let me see here. Just going to walk you through and this, and you just create a free account. What you want to do is to go to the user center, and when you go here, let me go to the user center. Yes. Where you go here is to top up. And here you go. You just if I do it, I do $5. I mean, you want to stay. You don't want to put a lot of money in here, but if you need it, you can just easily top it up with use of PayPal. So it's very, very easily done. The next thing that you need to do is to go to projects list and create a project that for what do you need it. I use it for Google. I've used it for eBay, Instagram, and some it doesn't matter, but UCC, you can Google, Facebook, WhatsApp, Line, Chat Roulette, eBay, Instagram, there are BeeTalk, many things I don't even heard of yet. So Airbnb even so. So figure out where you need your SMS code for. In this case, for example, I need it for Instagram. I'm just going to walk you through on how to do it. Actually, I use a automation program that's called Jarvee. If you want to learn more about Jarvee and how you can automate your Instagram, and you can also automate your Pinterest, your LinkedIn, your Facebook. But I mostly focus on Instagram. Then check out the online courses at freedomlifestylesacademy.com and become an Instagram master, and how we make 6 figures a year by posting on Instagram with sharing our passion, sharing our life. But that is something else. Just go check it out if you're interested in that. But for now, what you want to do after that you created your project is go to get code. And then, for example, let me swipe over to Jarvee here. And this is an Instagram account that needs phone verification. So if you're familiar with Jarvee, you know what I'm doing. If you just have Instagram on your phone, it works exactly the same. Only you do this procedure on your phone. I will go here and there was an issue. Yes, I know there is an issue. So I'll click on, I want to phone verify. And now this is a number that does not exist anymore. So because I got from here. But what you want to do is you're going to choose a number. I know it works with Chinese numbers. I actually only use Chinese numbers and hardly use this one. If these ones fail sometimes, it just do not work or get an error for that, I will dive into Philippines and Macau are working pretty good. But very affordable, 5 cents here per SMS. I go here and I select, in this case, Instagram. But you can see you got mail.ru, eBay. This is the project you created here, project list. So you selected that. Then you do capture phone number. And maybe I turn on the sound so that I know, because sometimes it can take a while before you get the SMS code. Now you hear it, you always on top of it. I delete the old number, I paste the new one, and I hit verify by phone. So, for example, you're doing this, and in certain cases, it can happen that you need to verify it pretty soon afterwards. Now, this number is only, you can use it once. Here it is. This is the SMS code coming in. You can only use it once, or in that time second span of 360, you can use it multiple times. I do not recommend it actually. They say you can do it, but if you use the same number, for example, in Instagram multiple times, you'll get errors and your accounts could be banned. So, you know, it is 12 cents in this one, or 5 cents for estimate. You know, it's not the cost. Just, you know, it's not worth to risk your accounts. So get a fresh number. The only thing that you do is release number and capture phone number. So you scroll down and now you see here this number. This is the SMS code you want to get. So I copied it, I paste it in here, and I have to, in this case, I have to remember I have to take away this space, and I do verify use. And if I did it correctly, let's see, and now my account is valid again. So I really recommend, if you are searching for a phone verification service and you want to receive, you want to get SMS codes, then definitely click the link below this video, and we'll bring you to the Get SMS Code phone verification service, and it helps me. It's unlimited, or unlimited. Yeah, you can get as much phone numbers as you like there. You use them once. If you need to verify again for any reason, just get a new number and do it again. So I hope this was helpful. If you think this was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And make sure to subscribe to our channel here, the Freedom Lifestyles Academy, and tick the bell icon so you get notified if I create more videos like this. And I hope this was very helpful for this. Learn more about Instagram. Check out the courses at freedomlifestylesacademy.com and become an Instagram master. If you have any questions, drop them here below on the video. I will be on top of it and more than happy to answer all your questions. Take care, guys.